Привет, друзья! Hello, friends! Today I will show you how to cook Olivier, the most iconic Russian salad. Olivier is probably one of the most popular salads in Russia and other ex-Soviet countries. I will name the ingredients both in English and in Russian, so that you could learn some new Russian words. Поехали! But at first, a little bit of history. The original version of the salad was invented in the 1860s by a cook of Belgian origin, Lucien Olivier, hence the name. He used to be the chef of the Hermitage, one of the Moscow's most celebrated restaurants. Olivier's salad quickly became immensely popular with Hermitage regulars and became the restaurant's signature dish. The exact recipe, particularly that one of the dressing, was a guarded secret. At the turn of the 20th century, one of the Olivier's sous chefs, Ivan Ivanov, attempted to steal the recipe. When Ivanov left Hermitage Hotel and went to work as a chef for less prestigious Hotel Moskva, he began to serve a similar salad under the name Stolichny, or capital salad. It was reported by the gourmands of the time that the taste was somehow missing something. Later, Ivanov sold the recipe for the salad to various publishing houses, which further contributed to its popularization. Due to the closure of the Hermitage restaurant in 1905 and the Olivier family's subsequent departure from Russia, the salad could now be referred to as Olivier. Every cook, even nowadays, experiments and adds similar but slightly different ingredients and proportions. I am sharing with you the recipe we used to cook in our family. So, we will need 4 boiled eggs, 4 вареных яйца, 4 middle-sized potatoes, 4 вареных картошки, 1 big carrot, boiled, 1 большая морковка, вареная. A little bit of deli meat, just this amount as I show on the picture. It's better to choose the deli meat without any lard. For example, jambon serrano will not fit. 100-150 grams of cornichons, 100-150 грамм корнишонов или соленых огурцов. Approximately 150 to 200 grams of green peas. 150-200 грамм зеленого горошка. And now we need to cut our boiled eggs, boiled potatoes and boiled carrot. А теперь нам нужно нарезать вареные яйца, вареную картошку и вареную морковь. Chop in small pieces, like this. Нарезайте мелкими кусочками, как на картинке. Now let's add the green peas. Добавляем зеленый горошек, почти 200 грамм. And mayonnaise, approximately 100 grams. It depends on your liking. In my can there were 265 grams and I used just a half of it. Добавляем майонез, примерно 100-150 грамм по вашему вкусу. В моей упаковке было 265 грамм, и я использовала половину. Now it's time to taste. Check if it's enough salty for you. If it's not salty enough, you can add a bit of cornichons. And if you think that you lack some meat, you could add a little bit of deli meat. If you think your salad became a little bit dry, add a little bit of mayo. Попробуйте салат. Если вам кажется, что не хватает соли, добавьте немного корнишонов. Если вам не хватает мяса, добавьте немного вареного мяса. Если салат получился немного сухой, добавьте немного майонеза. And this is the amount of salad I got from my ingredients. Вот сколько получилось салата оливье из моих ингредиентов. Let the salad stay in the fridge for at least 1-2 hours. The ingredients will mix their tastes and will taste much better. Дайте салату постоять в холодильнике 1-2 часа. Ингредиенты смешают свои вкусы, и салат будет намного более вкусным. When serving, decorate your portion with a little bit of parsley. Когда вы подаете салат, украсьте тарелку с салатом петрушкой. That's it, guys. I hope you liked my recipe. Please write in the comments if you have tried it and if you have liked the taste. Вот и все. Надеюсь, вам понравился мой рецепт. Напишите мне в комментах, если вы смогли его приготовить, если вам он понравился. Спасибо. Enjoy your meal. Приятного аппетита!